We are back with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission. Last hour, we made those yeast dough critters. We made the actual dough for the critters. Now we're going to put the critters together. So I'm excited for this. Charlene, you have some body parts mapped out already.
This is our body.
Okay.
And you can take that. And we're going to just put that, and I gave you parchment paper because this will be an easy way to take it and put it on our baking pan. So we'll put it there, and we're just going to flatten it slightly, just like that. Okay. Perfect. Now you have a long part. This is the tail. We're going to stick that underneath. And we put it underneath there a little bit and kind of form that tail. And that way it bakes into our dough. And you know, I took this recipe that we made and cut it in half to make 2 turtles. And they make pretty good sized turtles.
Very
so
much
if you want to make maybe you have a family of 4 and you want to cut the dough into 4s and then have everybody make a turtle, well, then just make smaller turtles.
Make it work for your family.
Make it work for your family. Now what we're going to do, you have little scissors.
Okay, you gave me the purple scissors for K-State.
Yes, I did.
Thank you.
And we're just going to make 2 clips in each of those, and that makes the little claws for our turtle there, so he can walk. And then we're just going to kind of poke 2 holes there for his eyes.
He's got to see.
Yes, and then we're going to take those raisins and stick them in there. So there he has his eyes.
Perfect.
Then the last thing we're going to do is take our knife, and these are just plastic serrated knives, so they're good for kids of all ages, and we're going to just slash across the back there. Now what we would do, Reagan, is we would let this rest. We'd cover it, let it rest until it's double in bulk. It's going to raise up, and then right before it goes in the oven, this will make it glossy. See how this shines?
Oh, yes.
This will make it glossy. This is an egg wash. This is 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Okay. And we just beat that really good with a whisk.
Right before it goes in the oven.
Right before it goes in the oven. And then it's going to bake at 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes until it's golden brown.
Doesn't take too long.
Don't take too long. So this will be another fun project for the kids because they'll like doing that. And that's all there is to it.
Very easy. And if you missed out on seeing how we put the dough together, we put that on our website, wibw.com. And where can people see the entirety of this recipe?
Go to kansassoybeans.org. And then we don't want to forget, we're working with the Kansas Wheat Commission this month, and they are offering all kinds of dough sculpting in their book. It's free to everyone. The link is on our website, and you can order one, and they'll mail it to you.
And they have so many fun and different sculptures. This one's my favorite, the Porky Pig buns. But they do have festive sculptures that you can put together. We have Valentine's Day right around the corner, and we have one for that. They're the little hearts. Let's see if I can find it here. So cute. Look at that.
And the shamrocks for St. Patrick's Day.
Yes, both those holidays right around the corner.
That's
all
right.
season. So you guys will have to go check that out on their website and ours, wibw.com. Thanks so much, Charlene. This was fun. We'll be right back.